Pass to the center. Don't forget the trade on the outside. I knew you wouldn't. Centers pass through. Touch a quarter. Scoot back. Boys in, girls flipping. Boys run around the girls. 8 to the middle and 8 fall back. Good. Pass through. Get a wheel and deal. Centers pass through. Swing through. All 8 circulate. Boys are staying in the center, girls are going on the outside. Good. Boys run around the girls. Couples circulate. Do a Ferris wheel. Center square 3 through. 3, 2, 1. Do an element left. And bow to your partner because you're close. There we go. See, if I put 10 in charge, I got good. That's square did. All right. Side space. Grand square. Go. Remember you had to
Cool.
instead of important. Go figure.
I don't know where that is. Oh,
when you're there, bow to the partner. In the corner, 2. Bow to the partner. Opposite 2. Who's going to be the heads? Let's decide that right now. Heads, square through, go 4. It'll be amazing if I can even resolve by seeing this far. Touch a quarter with the outside, too. Scoot back, go boys. Boys run around the girls. Pass the ocean. You're on the end, good. Swing through. Boys run. And the ladies hinge. Diamond circulate. Flip the diamond and the ladies trade. Let's see. Boys circulate. Recycle. Rachel, do you have your, okay, Alaman left, I know where you are. Alaman left, and right and left, grand. Grand right and left, round you go. Promenade. Okay, are we ready? Kimmy, are you okay? You okay? Yes, no?
Get on the step.
You're drowning on us? Okay. She's okay. Heads, lead to the right. Make an arch and dive through. Centers are the ones that make the arch. The outsides are the ones that dive through. Silly, silly, silly. Centers pass through. We'll try it again. Centers make an arch. Dive through. Centers pass through. You'll get to do it now. We'll get to do it now. Centers make an arch. Dive through. Center square through 3. Do an element left. Square your set. Okay, who was out those 2 sequences? We need to switch some people in that were out. Like, here we go. Bow to the partner. Opposite 2. Heads lead to the right. Christopher, Cherie, you're ahead. Lead right. Centers make an arch. Outsides dive through. Centers pass through. Centers make an arch. Dive through. Centers, pass through. To the right and left through. Turner, Christopher, Turner. Christopher, turn Cherie. Alum on the left. With your left hand, Ted. And a right and left, grand, right and left, around you go. Square your set. Okay, move your square this way towards the shallow end a little bit. Move it this way a little bit. All right, here we go. Sides, square through, go 4. Touch a quarter with the outside too. Scoop back. Boys go in, girls fold over. Boys are turning through with each other, Christopher and Ted. Boys are coming back out. Boys run around the girls. Pass through. Wheel and deal. Cherie, right out here with Ted. Centers, pass through. Cherie, you're out here with Ted. Cherie, you're outside, out here. Swing through. Rights and lefts. Boys trade. Boys run. Couples circulate. Ferris wheel. Center, sweep a quarter back away. You should be close. You're at home. Square your sets. Wayne, get out of the middle of the square. Square your set so we can be done with this and swim. Come on. Sides face. Christopher, you got to be up out of the water to hear the directions. Sides face. Rachel, face Tony. Grand square, go. Christopher, you're ahead. Cherie, you're ahead. Four ladies promenade inside. Swing your partner round and round. When you're there, bow to the partner. In the corner, 2.